Okay, so I've been eyeing this hairstyle for the longest time, and also I've been meaning to do kinky clip-ins for the very longest time because I see my black sisters rocking their kinky clip-ins on social media in different styles, and I cannot be left out. So today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how I do my kinky clip-in. It's very versatile, very affordable, and you can rock it with any style that comes to your mind. Okay, so hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Adjoa Slay. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're old, thanks for always passing by. On this channel, I do makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, I vlog my lifestyle, because why not? And I also do fashion videos as well, so you're welcome. Make sure you stick and stay. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be needing clip-in pin. This is a very popular clip-in pin used for wigs and clip-in. You can use this as well. We'll be needing a thread, we'll be needing some scissors, and we'll be needing this kinky darling natural twist hair from Kanikalon, and she's very popular in Ghana. This is what I can lay my hands off. So starting off the process, I'm going to wrap my thread around some nails that I nailed to my chair. This is a sewing chair, very popular chair for seamstresses in Ghana. So I'm going to tie the thread to that, and I'm going to grab the hair in smaller bits because we don't want our hair to look chunky and not nice. So I fold the hair, as in you can see, I fold it to create a loop. I fold the hair in a very tiny sections to create this loop because I want my clip-ins to be long. If you want your clip-in to be short, you can fold your hair from the middle, but I fold mine from the tip because I want my clip-ins to be long. So as you can see, I fold it to create a loop, then I pass the hair through the loop and it gets stuck on the thread. Simple tutorial, very simple. I'm going to repeat the same step with a closer view for you to see it properly, for you to get the tutorial properly. So last one, create a loop, pass the hair through the loop, and voila, we're good to go. Very simple. I hope you get the gist, because this is the gist. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the thread from each side. So first off, the first side, I'm going to tie it to create a knot to secure my hair from coming out from the thread. So you're going to create a thick knot, not too thick. The knot is not supposed to show in your hair, so if it's too thick, it's going to show. So make sure it's okay for your hair not to come out. Okay, so I'm going to create another knot to secure everything together like so. So I'm going to repeat the same process at the other parts of the thread. Yes, so like so, I'm going to pull my hair to the end of the knot, you know, to secure it, to make sure it doesn't come out, to make sure everything is straight and flat. We don't want to see spaces. We want it to look nice and beautiful, like what you buy from Amazon and all those websites that sells clippings. So yeah, so that's it. So time to sew in our clipping pin. So you're going to sew the clipping pin in a way that you can open it. You see where I'm sewing. So when you sew it this way, you can open it and close it when you attach it to your hair, because if you sew it upside down, you cannot open and close. But if you sew it this way, you can open it. If you have this exact clipping like what pin like what I'm using, this is how you're going to sew your clipping pin. If you're using the other one I showed earlier, you don't have to do this. You don't have to, you don't have to look for the sides where you are going to open, because that's already in the open stage. You don't need any opening and closing for that one, so you can sew any part. But for this one, you have to make sure the opening part is at the front for you to be able to open. So I'm going to secure it to the hair with some thread and needle. I'm going to sew it. You can decide to glue yours. You can use hot glue, and you can use any glue that can hold a metal to a hair. But for me, I want to use the thread and needle because I feel like that's the most secure way, and it's going to last longer than the glue. So yeah. So guys, if you have watched this video up to this point, all I want you to do for me right now is to click on the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. I want this video to get to at least 1,000 likes, because it really helps me a lot. So this is my final look for my clippings. They are already in sections. Now it's time to slay the hair. So for the hair, I also need a good styling gel, a rat tail comb. I need a brush, and I'm going to be using my thread as well. Well, I end up not using the thread, but I end up using the scrunchie instead of the thread. So if you end up seeing the scrunchie instead of the thread, don't be surprised. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to section a little part of my hair in front, not so little though, but not as much as what I have at the back of my hair. So I'm going to put the back of my hair into 2 sections and braid each section into 3-strand braid. Yes, so like so. You see, I'm making this tutorial as simple as possible because I don't want you to give me the excuse of you cannot cornrow your hair, you cannot do this. I'm sure everybody knows how to do this 3-strand braid. In fact, I know a toddler that can do this 3-strand braid. So as old as you are, I'm sure you'll be able to do this 3-strand braid. So no excuse, baby. Let's get this hair slayed. Okay, I want to see your tutorial. When you do a tutorial, when you replicate this tutorial, please share on your Instagram and tag me at Adjoa Slay Hair Inspo. Okay, thank you very much. I will appreciate that, and I'm going to share to my Insta story. So I'm going to secure the braids with some bobby pins. Yeah, the color of the bobby pins doesn't matter because I use a pink bobby pin, and you can see the pink showing. It doesn't matter because when we put our clippings on, the bobby pin is not going to show. Okay, so now it's time to slick down the front section of the hair with some gel. Yes, with some hair gel. I'm using eco styling gel like I showed you from the beginning. She's a bad boy, and that's what I'm using. I love her. I've been using it for a while, but sometimes she get me pissed with some outcast and some build-ups that piss me off, but I still love it. So this is the scrunchie I was talking about. Instead of the thread, I can use a thread for this part, but I decided to use a scrunchie because I felt it was easier using the scrunchie than the thread. So yeah, I use the scrunchie because I have a lot of scrunchie, so why not? I use the scrunchie. Yes, so I'm going to put that hair into some 3-strand braid as well. This is very simple, and I'm sure you'll be able to do it. So I put it in 3-strand braid, and I'm going to wrap it around, okay, and make it as cute as possible, baby. Yes, honey. Yes. So now it's time to apply our clippings. So I'm going to spray the clipping with some water. This is a synthetic hair, so when you spray with water, it makes it soft and it make it looks moisturized. So I spray mine with water and some conditioner. So my spray bottle contains water and conditioner. So I'm gonna place the clippings wherever I needed to clip in for my hairstyle to look sweet and as sweet as possible. You know how we do. So yeah, and make sure I secure it with a close clip. The clip, what do you call it, the pin is supposed to be closed. That's how you secure it. So for my front section, I'm going to use one of the clip in and wrap it around my cute little ponytail that I have with my hair. So I'm going to wrap it around and make sure the pins are open and closed and as secure as possible. So guys, if you have watched the video up to this point, once again, I will appreciate if you watch every single ad on this video as a way of saying, Adjoa, we appreciate what you're doing for showing us all these simple and easy styles. We are going to watch your ads. All the ads plays in this video from the beginning, during, and ending of this video. We are going to watch all the ads so that you can cash out, so that YouTube can pay you at the end of the month. So that is what I need you to do for me. I'm not asking for your money, I'm asking you to watch the ads for me. So I took a section of the hair and conceal my ponytail in front. Okay, so I'm going in with the water in the spray bottle containing water and conditioner to further soften the hair, because this is a synthetic hair. Like I said, it's going to misbehave. So I use the water and the conditioner to put her in place. Yes, she need that. So now everything is set, and I'm trying to pass my hair through the hair to make sure everything is where it's supposed to be, or the hair is as flat and positioned wherever they are supposed to be positioned. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. So yes, shush, girl is looking hot after the makeup, guys. I did a tutorial for this makeup, and I'm going to it's true of this makeup, which is a get ready with me makeup and outfit. I'm going to post that video as soon as possible. Okay, so stay tuned, baby, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and you turn on post notification so that you get notified anytime I upload that video. So I need to put some scarf in front of my hair to make sure my front section is laid, my edges laid as possible. I'm a bit obsessed with this 5-5 that's how we call it in Ghana, this 5-5 edges style these days. I don't know why, but baby, this is the final look and I'm loving it. I need you guys to rate me in the comment section below. Like, how are you feeling about this hair? On the scale of 1 to 10, rate me in the comment section below. Rate me, baby. So guys, that's the final look, and that's it for today's video. Please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you turn on your post notification. Please make sure you like this video. Like I said, I need 1,000 likes for this video, so please contribute to the 1,000 likes for this video. Thank you so much, and I'm sure this is as simple as possible, so you are going to do it and tag me in your pictures and in your videos on Instagram. With love from Adjoa, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.